Hi there, welcome back. Now we're going to take our chain that we made and learn how to make a single crochet. So we're going to go back to our hand position, forefinger holding here, thumb and middle finger holding this chain closest, and this chain swings loose, and these two fingers help hold the yarn. Going to learn how to turn and make our first single crochet in a row. We're going to skip this one right next to us. We're going to go over to the next edge of the chain, the top bump of the chain. You can see you have a chain here and a chain coming around here. This skipped chain will help. It's called a turning chain, and we use it to help make it so that the headband doesn't come out all crooked. This will help keep the stitching in a straight line. So we're going to skip the turning chain, which is the first chain next to our hook. Second chain from hook is this chain. So we're going to put our hook in from front to back, and then we're going to be holding this chain for control. We have our turning chain right behind. We're going to yarn over and pull through one of these loops. Now we have two loops on our hook. To make this single crochet, just yarn over one more time, yarn over, and then we'll pull through both of these at the same time. Boom! That is your very first single crochet. It looks like it has two little legs, and as we finish, it'll have the little loop coming across it. And you just learned how to turn a row in the chain. Skills! Alright, so now we're going to do the same exact thing with the next chain bump. So you can see the next chain bump here, right next to it. This is the one, so this one here, we just went into, we're going to go into the next one. So put your hook from front to back, yarn over, still holding this chain now, closest chain to the hook for control. Yarn over, pull through one, there we go, yarn over, pull through two, 1, 2. Perfect. And now you can see that you're starting to get some fabric. This is your crochet fabric. And then I'm just going to unwind a couple strands from the yarn ball. Reposition the hand. Here's the next chain we're going into. Front to back. You know it. Yarn over. Pull through one. Pull through two. Perfect. And we're going to go all the way to the end. Reposition. Front to back. Yarn over. Pull through one. Yarn over. Pull through two. You can start to see 1, 2, 3, and then this is our turning chain. 1, 2, 3, you've got it. We have 3 so far. You can count the chains to see how many we have left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Alright, so we're going to go insert hook, front to back, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two, and do it again. Next chain, hook front to back, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two, readjust, front to back, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. Almost to the end of the row. Woo! Celebrate! Whee! Alright, How many more? 1, 2, 3 more to go. Insert hook front to back, yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2. Perfect. Chain front to back, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. 1 left. I just pulled a little more yarn from my ball. All right. Last one. Hook front to back, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Awesome. Look, you just finished your first row of single crochet, and this is the first row of your headband. Perfect. All right, we're gonna do the next row. Ready? Chain 1. So we're just gonna chain 1, yarn over, chain. Perfect. Now this is our turning chain. Now we're gonna turn the work, and we're gonna go back through. Here's our little single crochets. This is what they look like from the back. To me, they kind of look like the little Japanese rock tower, where you've got the 2 little legs and then the little crossways one. I can't think of the name of it right now, but comment below and we'll figure out what it is. Alright, so now this is our turning chain. We're going to ignore that, and then we're going to go put our hook in this one. This is the second chain from hook. Actually, this isn't second chain from hook because now these are single crochets, so it'd be second stitch from hook. So passing the turning chain, going to the first single crochet, front to back, and then yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Yes, that's your first stitch of the second row. Now we're going to go in the next one. This is the next top of the next single crochet. Hook front to back, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Perfect. We're going to do that all the way to the end. Always hold near where you're going to be going in next. Front to back, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Front to back, yarn over, yarn over, Alright, we're at the very end here. Whew! Got our stitches going. Have, we'll count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this will be number 10. Making 10 across. 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is our turning chain. We are not going to do anything with that. It'll just hang out there. Alright, now we're going to make what? We're going to turn the row, so we need to make a turning chain. So we're going to chain 1, yarn over, chain 1, turn, perfect. Remember, we're going to skip the turning chain, we're going to go to the next single crochet, front to back, perfect. We're just going to keep working like this until you get at least 6 inches done. So I'll work on mine and you work on yours, and I will come back after I have 6 inches done and we will meet again. See you soon.